Easy turkey burgers with coriander ingredients. 1 pound, approx 450-500 rate. Ground turkey, using a slightly higher fat content, like 85% lean, can make them juicier. 1 to 2 cup fresh coriander, cilantro. Finely chopped 1/4 cup finely chopped red onion, or spring onions, scallions. 1 clove garlic, minced, optional. 1 teaspoon cumin or chili powder, optional for a kick. Salt and black pepper to taste. 1 tablespoon oil for cooking. Instructions. Mix ingredients. In a large bowl, combine the ground turkey, chopped coriander, chopped onion, minced garlic, if using, cumin, chili powder, if using, salt, and pepper. Use your hands to mix gently until everything is just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the burgers tough. Form patties. Divide the mixture into 4 equal portions and shape them into patties about 3/4 to 1 inch thick. Make a small indent in the center of each patty with your thumb. This helps them cook evenly without bulging. Cook burgers. Heat the oil in a large non-stick frying pan or skillet over medium heat. Cook the burgers for about 5 to 7 minutes per side, or until they are golden brown on both sides and cooked all the way through. The internal temperature should reach 165 F 74C. Assemble. Serve the burgers on buns, if desired, with your fresh salad. Easy side salad ingredients. Mixed salad greens, lettuce, spinach, arugula, etc. Sliced cucumber, cherry tomatoes, halved. A simple vinaigrette, olive oil, lemon juice or vinegar, salt, pepper. Instructions. Combine. Place the salad greens, cucumber, and tomatoes in a bowl. Dress. Drizzle with the simple vinaigrette and toss lightly just before serving.